Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This particular video will teach you how to make 40k per month. Just about to sell your picture or your video with this site. You can take picture of yourself. You can also snap only your foot, the picture of your bag, your laptop, your cup, everything like that. Or you go to your village, you snap with funny things, upload it, but make sure it's your content, not another person's work. By starting this photo send business, you can make a lot of money. If you are new to my channel, my name is Olorunwa. I make video on how to make money online, dollar and crypto arbitrage, general graphics design and spiritual tips. So this website is where people come to download images. Okay guys, what you need to do is to just upload your photo. The site will do the ranking for you. Okay, this website called Shutterstock. Okay guys, so that is the name of the website. Give Google. Okay, from now let me just ask a question. From here now you can go to your Google now and search for someone holding paper or someone holding board. So as you can see, you will be able to see, as you can see this one now, this is a question coming. As you can see here now, I just type, as you can see, I just type picture of someone holding board. Okay, just bring it out for me. You will see it here now, and then from here now you can see the ranking. You can see the ranking here. You can see Shutterstock photo there. So this is Shutterstock, and then you can, that's where you will know that they are ranking on Google. Okay, so this is what you'll be doing, uploading your picture, and then if someone come down here to come and download this, you will be paying for it. Okay guys, so let me go back to my tutorial. Okay guys, so now okay, as I was saying, so after that, main thing you have to know, after you register, you will be sent an email to your email to confirm your email address. When you confirm your email address, you will they will now bring another form to fill. After you fill this one, you are good to go. So but one thing you have to do is that you go to your account settings. Okay, you go to the account settings by coming to this area. So if you are using your laptop, everything will be clear, that is, you will see everything once. Okay, but if you are using your phone, you just follow me the way I'm using it like this. Okay guys, so as you can see, you just come down to this place and come down to account settings. Okay, so under the account settings, can you see account settings here? So under this is account settings. Okay, under the account setting, just click on it like this. So let's allow it to upload. So you can see the information here. So you just have to come down to this area. So this is where, this is very important, you have to come down to this place. Do you see this area? So you have to set it very well. So like this one now. So don't forget that this account is purely for beginner. I just opened this account for the purpose of this tutorial. So you must select it where you want to withdraw your money. Is it Payoneer or paper or Skrill? If you don't know how to open paper or Payoneer, there's some video. I have my video on Payoneer, I have my video on paper, I have my video on Skrill. You can download it, or any video on YouTube, so they will teach you how to do this. Okay, but for me, my main account, I use Skrill to withdraw my money here. Okay guys, so the second thing to do is to, if you like, you can come down here to set this one also. You can set this one. If you know that the minimum payout is $35, you can set your own to $15 or $20 if you wish. Okay guys, so aside from this one, if you set this one, so you now go back again. So you come down to this place. You come down to this place. You can also earn money from referral by clicking any. You just come down to referral here. So send the referral copy. So you can copy the referral here. So send it to someone to, so by anyone that use your referral to open this account. So you get money also. Yeah, but if you don't want that, so if you want more money, but if you don't want to concentrate on that, you can concentrate on your picture and the video. You make a lot of money. Don't forget, it's a passive income. You steadily you get your money. At the end of the month, you are going to make 40k. Okay guys, so if you want to upload your video, you can come here down here. Just come down here. Have you seen this area? So you upload your video, your picture rather. So just come down here and click on it like this. Just click on it like this, allow it to pump up. So you will see it here, and then you will come down here. Okay, just come down here and click this area. Click this area. Okay, go it, select this area, and you come down to this place and select the picture you want to upload. Don't forget that the picture will have been in your phone already. So you just come down and pick picture. I'm just using this one for a case study. Okay, so I just pick this picture. Okay, let me just pick this one. Okay, so as you pick it now, you just select it like this, and then automatically it will come down here. Do you see it? You just have to put next, and then it will upload immediately. Do you see that now? So it will upload immediately. So that's how you will upload your picture. You continue uploading your picture, different picture like that. So that is it. Another one thing I will tell you is that this account, there are some some account for customer and some account for for buyers. Okay guys, so don't mistakenly use the shorter stock contributor. So this one is for those people that want to sell picture and sell video. Okay guys, those one want to buy is another one entirely. So I will drop the link down below so that you can use this link to register directly. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.